Palantir's AIPCon 7, held on June 6, 2025, gave investors a deep dive into its artificial intelligence platform and its growing influence. With the stock currently at $138.20 and a market cap nearing $352 billion. As of June 18, 2025, this event signals where Palantir could be headed. We'll break down what was revealed, customer wins, tech advancements, financials, and risks, to help you figure out what this means for your portfolio. The event brought together over 100 organizations, with CEO Alex Karp leading key discussions and technical demos showing off real-world applications. It wasn't just about tech, it was a statement of Palantir's ambition to redefine how enterprises operate using AI and data. The YouTube livestream made it accessible, amplifying its reach and giving investors plenty to chew on regarding market potential. Palantir's client list is growing fast and spreading across sectors. Think Tampa General Hospital cutting sepsis response times, or Hertz rethinking fleet management with AI. Add in names like Lando Frost and the U.S. Department of State, and you see a pattern. Palantir's tools work anywhere there's complexity. That 71% jump in U.S. commercial revenue year over year shows they're not just leaning on government deals anymore. Private sector demand is surging. At AIPCon 7, Palantir flexed its tech muscle with tools like AI optimization agents, which tackle disruptions on the fly, and ontology augmented generation, tying language models to practical business outputs. This isn't just flashy, it's a step ahead of players like Snowflake or Microsoft. Their forward-deployed engineers seal the deal, customizing solutions so clients see results fast, which could drive stickier contracts and bigger scale. New tie-ups with Archer Aviation and Databricks in 2025 open doors in aviation and secure AI, while the $217.8 million U.S. Space Force contract locks in Palantir's defense creds. Beyond the deals, the buzz on X after the event, praising the Polish and customer stories, hints at a confidence boost among investors and analysts watching closely. The numbers tell a growth story. $725.52 million in Q1 2025 revenue, up 39% from last year, and a hefty 81.39% gross margin showing they're running lean. Full-year guidance sits at $3.89 billion to $3.90 billion, but that sky-high PE, 613 trailing, 229 forward, means the market's betting big on future gains. Analysts are split with targets from $100 to $155, though some see even more upside if momentum holds. Not everything's rosy. That $352 billion valuation looks shaky if growth stumbles, and insider selling, think Alex Karp cashing out, raises eyebrows. Big competitors like Microsoft are circling, and regulatory heat over data practices could trip things up, especially with government work still a huge chunk of the pie. Any policy shift in DC could rattle the revenue stream. Here's the split. Bulls love Palantir's AI dominance, revenue trajectory, and government lock-in. 74% stock gains this year back that up. Bears point to the stretched valuation, insider moves, and regulatory clouds. It's a tug of war between a company firing on all cylinders and a stock price that's already priced in a lot of perfection. If you're in for the long haul, Palantir's core looks solid. Maybe buy on a dip around $100 to $120 or hold tight. Short-term players might ride momentum past $142, but watch for swings. If risk isn't your thing, sit tight for a cheaper entry or wait out regulatory noise. Keep an eye on August Q2 earnings and any DC headlines. They'll move the needle. AIPCon 7 painted Palantir as an AI powerhouse with real traction and big ambitions, but the valuation and risks mean it's not a slam dunk. Dig into their investor relations or X chatter for the latest. If this breakdown helped, hit subscribe on Stop Loss Investors YouTube and drop your take on Palantir's next move in the comments.